Hello everybody and welcome to Chat from the Engineering Desk. We are sat in the car this morning. I'm going to do a quick video. I'm going to show you this, which is a little multi-tool which one could use as an emergency tool, a bug out tool, survival tool. It's a cheapie. Comes in a little pouch, got a little belt strap. So it's a pouch. Let's talk about the tool. So it's a pair of pliers. It's obviously a pair of hammer with a claw. So to open it up, you can press it like that. Then you've got your cutters. And obviously it's a hammer. So in its closed state, you've got access to the fold out accessories over here, starting with a screwdriver and the blade over here, serrated blade. Right. And next we've got a multi-tool, which is hex spanner, which is by the looks of things from a 6 to a 10 millimeter, 12 maybe, and a bottle opener. Right. Next up, got a saw. Got a wood saw, nice and sharp, and it has got that little thing at the end in case you need it for whatever reason. It is not sharp, it's just a little groove. Right, on a star point socket, like so. Yeah, for small items, so small portable electronic devices that might need repair, that would be useful. And finally there's a blade. If you need it to be sharp, I would recommend sharpening it. It's moderately sharp, but not razor sharp. That's the extent of the tools, all folded out like so. A stow like that. It's got a nice plastic grip on both sides. And I spent, I think, in the order of about 300 Rand purchasing this at Builders Warehouse here in South Africa. So in case of emergency, for everyday carry, I keep this in my car, which is why it's in my car and we're having this talk in the car. A useful tool to have in the trunk, along with other stuff that I keep in the trunk. Little multi-tool. But for domestic use, camping and hiking and so on, very nice. And you stow it in its little pouch, like so. And that's it. That does stick out, so be aware of it. If you're storing it amongst other stuff, that can obviously damage stuff. And that's it. I keep it with me. It's cheap but useful. So, thanks for joining me here this morning for a quick talk on this little tool, something useful. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe this is something useful you'd like to get. You can order them online, or you can get them at the store. Have a wonderful day further, folks. Take care. I'll see you for more. Cheers.